everyone, Adrienne Everheart here, your dating and relationship coach. Today I'm going to talk about how to really make a man miss you. This is such an important tip to have. I've included it in all of my programs, including the Dating Unzipped complete collection. I'm out here in the wilderness where there are insects, and also the ABCs to get him back. So I'm going to talk about how to get your man to miss you, and this is something called the slow burn. Now, the slow burn is something I teach where instead of giving a man all of you, like he's dating you early on and he wants to see you every time, 3 times a week, he's calling you late at night wanting to get together and hang out, he's hanging out with his friends, and then later wanting to come over to your place, he's going to want to see you as much as possible in the beginning because he's really burning for you, you see. But instead of giving him all of this time, which of course feels good and exciting, you want to go for the slow burn. And the slow burn means you just date him at a much slower pace. You just tap the brakes a little bit in the process. Now, how this works is, instead of burning through the relationship very quickly and seeing each other multiple times and taking a vacation together in the first month, you let it burn slower. So when you hit that 3-month mark, which is sometimes when men get a little distance from the relationship, things start to get a little more intimate and they take that distance, that's where the slow burn is going to help you, because instead of speeding through this process, you're going to take things much more slowly and then allow him the time and space a man needs to really get into his heart, you see. So you have to take it slowly. And this means not always being available when he wants to date. You have your life, you have your boundaries and your interests. You keep your life rich and full and juicy with the things you're doing. Because we've all been there where we meet a great guy and we just start dropping all our friends, all of our activities to go spend time with him. So this is where I want you to take the slow burn, let it unfold much more slowly, and see if that relationship doesn't build a deeper bond and last much longer. Remember, when you're first starting the dating relationship, you're building these layers, you're building that foundation that's gonna last you a very long time with that man. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. As always, give it a thumbs up. Learn more about the slow burn in my programs, and please subscribe to me if you haven't already. And I love getting your comments in the comment section, and I try to answer everyone. All right, bye.